What's up mga kabit? Kamusta kayo guys? Nako, meron na naman akong i-share sa inyo na magandang game, no? Maganda in a way na graphics pa lang, approved na. Check natin guys muna yung trailer nila, baka mamaya magustuhan nyo din, di ba? So, check natin, sabayan nyo ako. Sige, play na natin. Let's go! What's up? What's up? What's up mga kabit? Wala, StarCraft ang dating. Ayun. Ganda nito. So, parang Star Wars, StarCraft. Oh, hoy, ayos. Crypto Astronauts. Ayun, nakita nyo, ganda. As you can see guys, no, kitang-kita natin, graphics pa lang, teaser pa lang, approved na, no? Pero of course, hindi lang dapat yun ang kino-consider. Consider din natin lahat ng areas, kung ano ang meron sa website, sa white paper, at kung ano-ano pa. Pupuntahan natin yan at sisilipin ngayon. But again, tingnan muna natin yung giveaway nila. As you can see, meron silang Discord guys, pwede nyo i-visit. Nakalagay dito, meron silang mega giveaway, oh. Tapos, meron silang prize, top 3, tickets to Starbase sa SpaceX. Meron ding top 4 to 15, Crypto Astronauts NFTs. And top 16 to 40, pasok kayo sa whitelist spots nila. You can read this guys, pwede kayong pumasok sa Discord nila to know more about this giveaway. Now, let's proceed. Tingnan na natin yung kanilang website. Pasok! Ayan guys, pwede natin i-visit sila sa cryptoastronauts.io. Make sure lang tama yung spelling ng astronauts nyo guys ha. So ayan, it is the year 2026. Metaverse is no longer mere concept. Ayan, Crypto Astronauts has blended the best of both worlds into a single integrated gaming platform that allows you to own and play with 10,000 unique NFTs. NFT valuables in a virtual environment. So guys, tingnan nyo mabuti ha. Dito pa lang, sa website pa lang nila, and as you can see, yung graphics pa lang nitong kalabaw na to na nasa harapan ninyo is maganda. And sa nakikita ko, yung mga characters dito guys is more on animals. Gaya ng sabi ko kanina, pwede kayong mag-join dito sa kanilang community. Meron silang Discord, may Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, at kung ano-ano pang channel nila. Ang maganda dito guys, kung sisilipin nyo, ayan no, powered by Solana. Alam nyo naman ang nangyari sa Solana ngayon, di ba? Paakyat ng paakyat yung presyo. And ang dami nakapag-take profit. And ang pre-sale nila will start 4 days na lang guys. 4 days, malapit na. So yan, let us scroll down, silipin natin. Okay, as you can see, gaya ng sabi ko, mga animals nga yung itsura ng NFTs nila. And guys, speaking of NFTs, alam nyo naman na yan ay pwede nyong i-buy and sell sa marketplace. And of course, I'm sure na ito na rin yung mga character ninyo, no? It will all depend din sa mga bibilin nyo ng mga NFT. Ayan no, merong kabayo, merong rabbit na nanle-laser, may shark na merong tawag dyan, yung kay kamatayan to, di ba? So ito yung mga sample NFTs nila guys, no? About us, tingnan nga natin guys, Crypto Astronauts is an Elon Musk inspired universe. Kaya pala may promo rin sila ng SpaceX, no? Where anyone can earn AST. So malamang ito na yung token nila, AST tokens, through skilled gameplay and contributions to the ecosystem. Players can improve their planets, expand to the other galaxies, gather alliances, and of course, meron silang PvP battle of each other for land, and the most accomplished players receive airdrops of AST tokens. Ayan guys, so may airdrop sila, 100 soul drop for 10 randomly picked Crypto Astronaut holders. So kung ikaw ay holder, of course, meron ka niyan, magkakaroon ka ng airdrop. Extra 3,000 NFT arcade type astronauts collection drop for randomly picked holders din. And gaya nga na napakita kong giveaway guys, eto na yon. And meron din silang lottery. Check natin yung roadmap kung nasa na sila. Okay, tapos na tayo rito sa stage 1. Andito na tayo sa stage 2 where in October na ngayon. Ayan na, community giveaway. Ito yung kanina. And malapit na game, video game tester, pre-sale, at kung ano-ano pa guys. Ayan no, kung mapapansin nyo dito sa may bandang ilalim, Solana NFT Market Development and Design. So this is under and powered by Solana. So ayan naman na stage 3. Tingnan pa natin yung additional information about this play to earn game. Ayan guys, mabilisan lang, mabilisang silip dito sa white paper. Tingnan nga natin ano to. Ito yung binasa natin kanina, virtual world. Okay, dito sa abstract part, you will see na meron silang multiplayer game, NFT driven gaming platforms, crypto astronaut NFTs. Basahin natin to guys ha. You own 100% of the Crypto Astronaut NFTs in your collection. You get a share of the platform's profitability. Ang nakalagay pa nga guys, in this new disruptive gaming concept, players are rewarded for their time, dedication to the game. Players have the option of focusing on the accomplishing objectives or fighting other players. Ayan na guys, pwede na kayong mag-battle din sa other players. So, ano naman kung maglalaro kami ng Crypto Astronaut? So, nakalagay dito, when users play, the game automatically reward them with in-game benefits. Anong benefits? And even new cryptocurrencies in their wallets by the power of, ayan na, Solana blockchain. We've created a game that is pleasant way to make money. Of course, maganda nga naman ng mga play to earn na nag-e-enjoy ka, kumikita ka pa, and lalo na kung maganda yung graphics. Yung roadmap, ito yung chinek natin kanina guys. As you can see, nasa stage 2 na tayo. Nabasa na rin natin to. Crypto Astronauts mission. Players can earn by competing in PvP battles to win leaderboard prizes. Ano pa? By improving their attributes and becoming top players. So may ranking din ito. Paano pa tayo kikita? By trading parts of their resources to other players. Of course, meron tayong trading sa ibang players para syempre parang buy and sell din ng mga NFTs and gamit. Tingnan nga natin guys, sneak peek dito sa PvP battle as you can see. Ito yung nakita natin sa video kanina, So guys, hindi ko na babasahin to ng buong buo, Pero if you want na basahin to ng buong buo, no problem. I will put the link ng white paper sa ilalim and pwede nyo siyang basahin. So ayan guys, makikita nyo pati yung mission nila dito. Welcome to our revolution, we believe. Ayan, you can read guys itong vision nila. Of course, ang mission ng community. And syempre yung kanilang history where it all began. Everything andito na, even the charity, the lottery, the giveaways, and the metrics. Ito yung tokenomics nila. Sige, silipin natin. Meron silang 1 billion supply. And syempre hindi biro, meron silang $250 initial fund for the game, pre-sale, public sale, and of course the liquidity. Marketing and development, transaction fees, distributed fairly. Like ayan guys, 4%, 2%, and 2% burn. And last but not the least guys, andito na rin ang frequently asked questions. Pero bago tayo matapos, silipin lang natin tong medium. So guys, dito sa medium, masisilip natin sa photo pa lang yung mga iba-ibang klase ng NFTs nila. And nandito na rin sa medium, ayan, a perfect guide to find out how the Crypto Astronaut works. Are you wondering how to get your hands on all the unique NFTs stored in the Solana blockchain? Here's your chance to find out how the Crypto Astronaut works. Ayan, keep reading kung gusto mo. Ilalagay ko rin to guys, medium sa description. And by the way guys, yung nako-collect nila dito guys na 4%, ilalagay yung sa liquidity pool para ipapremyo. So let's continue guys, para sa mga hindi nakakaalam what is NFT, ayan na. And what is Crypto Astronaut NFT? Basahin natin to, mabilis lang. Items or assets that aren't fungible. Guys, kasi ganito yan, ang non-fungible, ito unique yan. Unique, ikaw lang ang meron niyang NFT na yan. Such as your fingerprints, diba? Ikaw lang ang meron ng fingerprint. Ang tawag doon is non-fungible token. Yun yung NFT. The characters of Crypto Astronauts NFTs to come 10,000 unique NFTs. So, 10,000 lang guys. So, very rare yan. Pag nahawakan mo, ikaw lang ang meron. NFT concept designs, each with its own animal head elements, costume, details, and firearms. You may also participate in giveaways and win great prizes by owning our NFTs as well as playing. So guys, yun muna hanggang dun muna, and marami pa kasing development ang gagawin tong Crypto Astronauts. Ang importante, aware ka na merong ganitong game. So guys, kung nagustuhan mo, meron ka natutunan dito, please hit the like button. Guys, thank you so much talaga sa pag-subscribe. And kung gusto mo updated ka palagi, just hit the notification bell. Maraming salamat sa'yo. Thanks for your support and God bless.